Nice one, guys. So basically, I'm in the kitchen today. I'm going to be showing you how to make a beautiful cucumber drink with some lemon, ginger, and some fresh mint. All right. So basically, I'm going to be using a large cucumber, and I have about a quarter. So that's what I'm going to be using. All right. So let's jump straight into it. So first of all, as I say, I got a lime cucumber, and I got a little piece right here. All right. Beautiful drink. And I will encourage you guys to do this one at home. All right. Beautiful. So I'm going to get my cucumber cut up into some small pieces to put into the blender. All right. So I'll start to cut up my cucumber. Lovely. So the more cucumber you have in it, is the better for you. But cucumber is just like water. 95% of cucumber is water. The other 5% is just like fiber inside of it, but it's also beautiful. Nice one. So right there, that's the cucumber, all of the cucumber which I've been using. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna simply jump. I'm gonna get a nice, lovely, fat chunk piece of a ginger, which I'm gonna be using. So the portion of ginger, it is gonna be like about like this. So make sure you wash your ingredients. This ginger is fresh, lovely, and nice, and also beefy, and also full of fiber. All right. So I'm gonna remove the skin from the ginger. So we got the ginger ready. So all I'm gonna do is put the ginger in. This is a portion of roughly about a large tablespoon of ginger if you should grate it. Straight into the blender like this. Now I have some fresh mint, which I'm gonna be using. So I'm just gonna be using the mint pot, the leaf of the mint. These may look dry up, but they're not dry because you know when you have mint for a time, they will just change color. But I'm gonna say something to you. The more of the mint you put into it is even much better. And I'm using some fresh organic mint. And here's some more. I'm just gonna put all of this inside of it because I just like mint, and mint is very good for you. So I don't mind have as much of this mint. Now what I'm gonna do after I put all of that mint inside of it, I'm not gonna be using too much water. I'm gonna use roughly about half cups of water to 1 cup. All right, here I'm gonna put that water inside of it. Like this, because you know cucumber is the water. All right, lovely. Now I'm just gonna pinch of apple cider vinegar inside of it. You don't have to use too much. Just a pinch of apple cider vinegar. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to cover it like this. All right, here it is. Cucumber, ginger, and mint. And now we're going to take it to the blend. All right, and then we're going to run it through this strainer right here. So let's make some noise. just blend it. And oh, smell that beautiful mint. Wow. Now we're gonna run it through our strainer. All right, and that's the way it looks. So beautiful. That is lovely. All right, that is so beautiful, guys. That is amazing. So once you get all of that drink strain off, and all you're gonna do next is get some lemon. We're gonna get some lemon. I'm gonna use half of a lemon, and I'm gonna squeeze out that lemon juice. Lovely. All right, and then I'm gonna just simple pour that lemon juice into this and give this a mix. All right, once you get that mix, then we're just gonna transfer it straight into this. And look at this, guys. That is amazing. Fantastic, as you can see for yourself. So right there, you got some lovely mint, cucumber, ginger, and lemon. All right, and trust me, you guys can do this at home. It's amazing. The flavor, the texture is so beautiful, and it's so easy to make. It doesn't complicate it, but I know you guys definitely will love this. All right, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in, and we have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas for you to make at home. All right, this is from Chef Ricardo Food News. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in, and we'll catch you next time with more recipes. Thank you guys who are watching. Yeah, see you next time. Bye bye for now.